Hi guys, guess who I have? Of course it's Erin back there. This is Margaret. So what I want to talk about is facial movements, right? So facial movements, now just watch, right? Now I know. So she's 5 months old, and notice what I'm doing with my camera. I'm just changing my sparklies, right? But if I move, see this? See right there how her eyes just cross midline. I know, Yasmin, she's saying hello. See, look at that midline crossing. Look at how she can look down. Look at that. Look at her vision, right? Really? She sees the sparkle of my cameras. You see how, again, she still has sporadic movements. She's coming down. But you see, too, how when she brought her head down, and it just went right down to the side, right? And again, she's just countering. She's thinking about getting sleepy. And we're just moving, right? And she's just hanging out. She's just totally hanging out. But look at all those cranial movements. I really need to just put this now just in slow motion. Amy, look who I have. I got your sister back there. She's all blurry. But the more important one's up front. Right? So just look at how her face moves. All of those movements. She's making like a gazillion. I know. And that's not including all the movements that are inside. So again, see how she can, again, cross that midline through the nose. And she's just, again, chilling out. I can't stress enough. How beautiful this is. Look at that. Look at how she counters me. Now, let's see if I can keep this straight. And now I'll just move me. Hi. Or does she like to... Look at how nice she just puts that head down. Grandma's jealous. So is Amy. And Amy's not there to play with you. See again? See the momentum of her head going down and going up is the same. Meaning the speed. She's not dropping her head down. She's not falling. Again, I can come underneath her. Yeah, look at those. I know. Look at all those mouth movements. See how she's free to just talk and move. What? Movement's so essential, guys. Right? But with the way that she's moving and coming down here, it's really important just for her development. All of these kind of movements that she's there. Of course, she's got the pubic bone strike. And you can just see all that. But she's self-contained. She's just enjoying herself. She's not trying to go after my camera. She's just sort of talking to herself, breathing, doing what she needs to do. Right? These baby movements, now if I can go here just on her side. Right? Now look at this. This is where I have to get my infant motion sensor mat out. Again, now that COVID's passing. Look at all those detailed movements. She has a great outfit for it. We're trying not to get her to fall off the table. That's be a really good thing. Look at that pubic bone strike, right? You see where she's at. She's all settled off of where her pelvis is. Everything organizes over that pelvic movement. Again, we're only holding her head, guys, so she doesn't go off the table. Yes, in the studio, I have the narrow table, which is only 30 inches. Just so you know, this is how much table she has. So we're just making sure. You know how they say after the movies, no animals were harmed after this? Yeah, no babies were harmed. But again, just look at all these kind of movements. Notice she is not planking, guys. Her arms are down. But you see the push-pull milestones are independent in the shoulder, elbow. See how she can just move this. This is one of the first milestones, too. A baby should be able to go in and out of tummy time in sleep and in play. Look at that. Everything she's doing. What? Baby movements. You got to have them. That was a good goodbye, Amy. Goodbye, Grandma. Say bye. Bye. 5 months of development, guys. And she's slowly going to sleep. Yeah. Thanks, guys.